Hi guys, welcome to my brand new apartment. I'm gonna show you guys around. It is completely empty right now, and I did an empty apartment tour with my last apartment, and I like having that memory to look back on, so I wanted to do the same thing with this one. So without further ado, I guess we can get on into the tour. So when you first come in, you basically are greeted right away with our living room, which is right there. It's really big. I'm in love with these windows. When I first looked at the photos of this apartment, I looked and I saw the photo of the living room with these windows in it, and I was like, oh my gosh, why is my voice doing this? Guys, I'm not sick, I don't know what's happening. The whole point being, as soon as I saw these windows, I immediately was like, just fallen in love with this apartment. But it's also like a pretty decent size, right?
Yes.
So living room is right there, and then you can kind of see a little peek into the kitchen. It's pretty open concept. And then over here is like a hallway, and we have like a closet right here. So I'm going to show you guys this closet. So it is pretty like big, I would say, like a decent sized closet, just like your typical, I don't know, coat closet. I'm sorry guys, I'm wearing a hat because my hair is just a little crazy today, so but yeah, I think it's a good sized closet. Nothing like really special about it, but I like it. So this is my kitchen, my beautiful kitchen. I am really excited to hopefully learn how to cook, because I didn't do that in my last apartment very much, but hopefully I do in this one. And we do have a like, you know what I mean, like a flat top. Is that what it's called?
It's a flat top oven.
We are getting a flat top oven, and that'll be installed here. It's just, I guess appliances are very like back-ordered right now, so we have our other appliances, we're just waiting on that. But yeah, all new appliances, which I was really excited for as well. Anyway, this is the kitchen. It has a lot of cover space, and oh, my favorite thing, one of my favorite things. Okay, you have to come so I can show. It's just cool to me. And if you didn't realize what was happening, it's just that they don't bang, so you can like shut.
Anti-slam soft closed doors.
There we go. Yeah, so this is the kitchen. I am just very excited. I also didn't have a dishwasher in my last apartment, so I'm also excited for that, I guess. So kitchen right here, and then if you walk this way, we have basically where you put a kitchen table. What do you call that?
Dining room.
Dining room. Look, my dad's really coming through for me in this video. A dining room. So this is where that is. We'll have a table here.
Hey guys, that's a floor. Those are walls.
Dad, you're not funny.
Dad jokes.
So for a little bit of size reference, this is how big it is. I think it's a really good size, and you can have a decent sized kitchen table. So this is kind of the central part of the living room. Of course, when you first come in, living room, kitchen, dining room, and then you walk down the hallway. So that's where we're gonna go next. So it's just your very typical hallway, I feel like, but it's nice and wide, which I really like. And then right here we have our laundry room. And it is a pretty decent size. I don't know if people really care about seeing this, but this is what it looks like. It is nice, sweet. It has some shelves and stuff in here. And then there's a little bit of room beside the dryer as well, So laundry is there, and then we can continue walking down the hallway, and we don't get very far, and we have a closet right here, but it opens up, obviously, and ta-da, it's a closet. So, I mean, we can probably put like towels and, I don't know, we'll figure it out what we're gonna put in there, but bedding and stuff like that will probably go in there as well. You know, your typical stuff that you put in a extra linen closet, whatever, I don't know. Never had one of these before. So the next room I'm gonna show you is our bathroom, and it's right here, and I think it's perfect. I think it's a really good sized bathroom, and it's also just all white. So if anyone who knows me knows, that's good in my book. So this is the bathroom. Like I said, it is completely all white. And yeah, so we have like a little cabinet here with some drawers as well. Well, actually one drawer, but, and a mirror, you know, you need your mirror. But that's it, that's the bathroom. So I just showed you the bathroom, which my dad is now standing in to film this. So this room is directly across from the bathroom, and it's just pretty, yeah, pretty cute, and all nice and white. And then the closet is over here, and it's a pretty decent sized closet. I don't know why I tend to do this, but I always go and like stand in them to get size reference for some reason. But this closet is the smallest can I speak? It's the smallest closet in the apartment, but the other room is pretty similar in size. The closet's just a little bit bigger, so we're gonna go to that one next. So this is the second bedroom, and it looks like this. And then the closet's right here. So the closet in this one is a little bit bigger. The other one kind of is just like shorter. Is that? Yeah, shorter. This one's a little bit longer, so that's kind of nice. And then the window is also different in this one. A little bit more lighting. But yeah, so that's this one. And then the final bedroom and the final room is the master, and it is so nice. So now we are standing in the master bedroom, and it's the end of the hallway, last bedroom. And I'm showing you this angle first because the windows in this room are my favorite part of it. Well, the bathroom's nice too, but the windows are just really, really nice, very similar to the living room. So if we turn the camera this way, you'll see them. Yeah, that's what it looks like. The lighting's really bad now that I'm kind of blocking them, but I'll show you like an overlay of the room as well. And then the closet is right over here. This one has a double door, which is really cute. And it opens up to a nice big closet. Lots and lots of room. And then lastly, we have the bathroom. So this bedroom does have an ensuite bathroom, which is really, really nice. Yeah. I also think it's cute that it has a sliding door. My dad told me it's called a pocket door, I guess. So yeah, there we go. Keep learning from good old dad. I had to redo that clip like 5 times because he kept saying that it was a pocket door. So he really wanted me to let y'all know what the accurate name was for it. So this is the bathroom. We got a nice little floating desk here, and like you push. Oh wait, does it push? It'll work. There we go. And yeah, so that's really nice. And obviously the toilet's over there. And then the shower is really nice. I love the tiling in it. And I love how it has like the little cutouts that you can put like your shampoo and everything in as well. But yeah, that's the apartment. So lame. So that is going to bring this apartment tour to an end. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope to be making lots more videos here. I hope you guys have a great day and enjoy the rest of your week. Bye guys.